simple machine. Dear student, in this video today I am going to explain you about the classes of lever. Classes of lever. Dear student, lever according to the position of fulcrum, effort and load, lever are divided into three types: class 1, class 2 and class 3. Class 1 lever, class 2 lever and class 3 lever. So dear student, basically lever are of three types: class 1, class 2, class 3. So let us see class 1 lever. Class 1 lever. What do you mean by class 1 lever and how you can define it? The type of lever in which fulcrum lies between load and effort are known as class 1 lever. Class 1 lever. Dear student, let us try to understand class 1 lever with the help of the diagram. Dear student, it is a scissor. Example of the scissor. You see here, this is a point where we apply effort, or you can say apply force. So this is the effort point. Here fulcrum, and at this point work is done, so it is known as load point. Dear student, in class 1 lever, fulcrum lies between effort and the load. Let us try to understand class 1 lever with the help of one more diagram. You see here, one more diagram you see. Take an example of the iron bar. Iron bar. Here is the load. Here is the fulcrum. And here we apply effort. So dear student, this is the fulcrum, load is known as class 1 lever. For example, dear student, see here, iron bar or known as crowbar. Second, beam balance. Beam balance. Third, seesaw. So, fourth, pliers. So, dear student, these all are the example of class 1 lever. Next, I am going to explain you about class 2 lever. Class 2 lever. The type of levers in which load next I am going to explain you class 2 lever. In class 2 lever, load lies between effort and fulcrum. Dear student, in class 2 lever, load lies between the effort and the fulcrum. Let us try to understand class 2 lever with the help of an example. Dear student, this is a diagram of a nutcracker. Nutcracker. This point is known as a fulcrum. This is a load, and the particular point is known as a effort. Dear student, you may have seen in battle saw, the person used to cut the nut with the help of the nutcracker. So, nutcracker is an example of the class 2 lever in which load lies between the fulcrum and the effort. Fulcrum and the effort. Other examples are like bottle opener, wheelbarrow, are some example of the class 2 lever. Dear student, so in the class 2 lever you came to know about that load lies between the effort and the fulcrum. Such type of the lever are known as class 2 lever. class 3 liver. Class 3 liver. In class 3 liver, effort lies between load and fulcrum. Dear student, let us try to understand class 3 liver with the help of the diagram. Dear student, you may have used ice storms. Ice storms. You see the diagram here? So, here is a piece of ice. So, this is the load point. Between we apply here, we apply at this point. So, it is known as a this is the effort point, and this point is known as a fulcrum. So dear student, the type of a lever in which effort, for example, you may have seen or you may have noticed in sweet shop when you go to purchase sweet, the seller used to pick the sweet by the help of a tongue. At one end sweet is there, in between it used to apply pressure, and at the last there is the fulcrum. So in class 3 liver, fulcrum at the one end, in between effort, and the last point load. So dear student, the type of the lever in which effort lies between the fulcrum and the load, such type of the levers come under class 3 liver, dear student. For example, as ice storm, this is a diagram of the ice storm. Also, the other examples are like a badminton racket, hockey sticks. So these are the few examples of class 3 liver. So dear student, please you read the topic and try to learn about the classes of liver. Class 1, class 2 and class 3 liver. Thank you dear students.